To do this is to go into this little quad ball in the create form tool and just to make this whatever shape, whatever size. I think it has to be smaller because it is going to be on your ice cream. Click OK. You're going to use the modify tool, and what you're going to want to do is modify either points, cherries dip in, so you'll modify a point, something that allows you to do that, or then you're going to want to also manipulate the lines over here. That's going to allow you to just pitch it on one side, so you can make the cherry a little oblong. Yep, something like that. And you know what, I don't like that as much, so you can go like this and shift it over, something like that. Actually looks pretty cherry-like. And then for the stem, I would say you could use either this or the cylinder. I think the cylinder is going to be easier, and you just make it by making this little piece right here. You want to add that, and instead of it being this big, maybe make it like, you know what, this is too tiny, but we'll just drag this up because we need something to work with right there, and we'll click OK. It's okay if it's too large to begin with because we'll hide this body and we'll just scale this entire thing down, so we can scale it down and then show here how big it should be. Now if you do this, you'll select a whole bunch of random, so you want to make sure that you're not selecting it while you have the other thing. So you come in here, and that's pretty good, and then you'll want to manipulate this as you go. So the way Fusion allows you to manipulate this stuff is either by the lines, the faces, or just what we call a ring selection, and you can scale things in, make them smaller or wider. It's uniform. You can also shift them, which is really useful for things like this, where you might want to have, your stem go in a different direction. You can come around, and you can also move those points down, and you can move entire faces and groups of faces, so you can have that there. Now, what you need to do is close this before it comes in, otherwise it's going to come in as a open surface, and it won't work as well for you for what we're doing. So easiest way to close is to go into modify and fill hole. Click an edge, top edge. It'll fill whatever way you select. I'm going to say collapsed because that's going to keep that shape a little bit better. Click OK with that. And then we're going to fill this as well. We're going to go back into here, fill hole, click this. It's going to fill it in. That's going to be good. And now we show both, and you should have a decent looking cherry. Now, if you don't like something, like I don't really love how it's transitioning right there, I can go into modify, and I can always select it, and I can go back, so I can make it thinner, for example. Or I can grab the entire thing, I can move it, and kind of make it however I want. And then I click finish form, and I have a pretty decent cherry to put on top.